How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your playback lag in Premiere Pro. So you have your standard fixes for this issue, like drop playback resolution, meaning go from here to here. Doesn't work for me. GPU acceleration, I have an RTX 2080, so that's not an issue. Slow hard drive, I have an I almost said STD. I have an SSD, solid state drive. I think I said that right. And to just render everything, like render this, so like you would go to sequence, render into out, and then you would just render the whole thing. So yeah, no, I made it go yellow to green, so that means it's completely rendered, and it still has this issue. So, what's going on here? So, I was looking everywhere for this, and I couldn't find a solution, but I actually had to come up with this on my own. So, when I was digging through preferences, so you go to edit, preferences, and then audio and hardware, I actually had to look through these, and I found something called latency. So for whatever reason your latency is by default 50, so I set this to 500, and it just works completely fine. Especially like scrubbing with me, it's not an issue. And when I set this to full, same thing, it's not an issue anymore. So whatever the reason was, it was literally the audio hardware. Like, it was the latency on it. So yeah, just change your latency from 50 to 500 and you're good. Sorry that this tutorial was a little flimsy. It was, I was kind of struggling to speak out on it because I was making this so quick. But, you know, whenever I show a tutorial for very specific reasons, it should be fixed.